In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Confluence space. If you're cleaning up old projects or retiring a workspace that's no longer needed, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove a space safely and confidently. First, open your preferred web browser. Any modern browser will work fine. In the address bar, go to start@Atlassian.com. This is the Atlassian homepage, which brings all your Atlassian products and recent work into one place. Next, log into your account. Use your usual credentials and, if prompted, complete any verification required by your organization. Once you're signed in, you'll see your Atlassian home. From here, you'll access your Confluence content. Make sure you're looking at the right site if your organization uses more than one. Now look to the left panel and select the space you want to work with. This panel shows your spaces and recent items, so it should be easy to locate the space you intend to remove. Take a moment here to confirm you've picked the correct space. Deleting a space affects everything inside it, including pages, blog posts, and attachments, so it's worth double-checking the space name before you proceed. With the correct space highlighted, click the three dots beside it. Those three dots open a contextual menu with actions for that space. From the menu, click Delete Space. At this point, Confluence will warn you about what's being removed. This is your final chance to confirm you're deleting the right space. If there's anything you might want later, consider exporting content or confirming with your team before continuing. When you're ready, click Send this space to trash to confirm. This action moves the entire space to the trash. Depending on your organization's retention settings, the space may remain in trash for a period before it's permanently removed, which can give administrators a short window to recover it if anything was deleted by mistake. Keep in mind that only users with the necessary permissions can delete a space. If you don't see the option, you may need to check with the site or space admin. That's it. You've successfully initiated the removal of a Confluence space, and you've done it through a straightforward and safe process. Always make sure to verify the space and its contents and communicate with your team if others still rely on it. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, make sure to keep your workspace tidy and your documentation organized, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.